Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I just want to start by saying that rules were meant to be broken. I have an unboxing. I have a bag unboxing, and this is the second time this year I've kind of broken this rule that I set for myself. It was like, I don't know if it, okay, we could debate whether I actually this was part of my luxury resolution. I said to focus on Hermes and Chanel. And I guess I have been focused, but also, I don't know, I've sort of had a little bit of a wandering eye. I've gotten more into Miu Miu, and there's been another brand that has been on my radar. They're ready to wear under the new creative director. But then also this bag in particular. So the brand, and now you will know what bag it is Celine. The creative director is Michael Ryder. He's just doing such a nice job with making some really beautiful clothes that I just see easily incorporating into my everyday life. You know, I work from home, but I also have like work events, conferences. I sometimes go into the office, and so it's just this really like chic but casual, not too dressy, very easy, very French, very beautiful sort of brand. But I saw this and I just couldn't resist. So let me share it with you. When these bags were first released, I remember, what was it, 2012? I mean, they were probably originally released before then, but really got popular then. I was lusting after one, but couldn't afford it back then. And then when this one came out, it was just so cheeky, so you'll know, so cute, and I felt like very of my aesthetic. So I got, oh my gosh, it's like completely fresh, factory fresh. I got the medium size Celine Phantom Smile. Let's undress her. I haven't had a bag come all like this in like forever. When was the last time? A little powdery. Okay, let's take the tape off. Oh gosh, how do we do this? And this is her little smile. Okay, I need to keep undressing her. I need to keep going. A little tassel. Okay. Oh, cute. And what is she stuffed with? She is stuffed. Oh, and the strap. Okay. Critical. Like 8 of these. Let's see, 1, 2. Okay, just 3. Beautiful suede lining. Even like the edge of the zipper wrapped in. So nice. This bag smells amazing. Okay, here she is, open. And then it's a 2-way zipper. Yeah. It's a 2-way zipper. So there's 2 zipper pulls. And then this flap kind of covers up the zipper. And then there's the little smile pocket, which is probably good for a pen. You could put a little mini pen in there, or maybe one of those Rhode liner, lipstick liners. But that's it. Let's go about the hard work of undoing this strap. This is a beautiful bag, I will say. I don't know if I've ever had a Celine bag before, but when the Phantom first came out, what's this? Oh, so this goes like this. How does this even work? Sorry if you can hear the construction next door. Do I slide this? How do I do this? Do I need a PhD for this? Once again. Okay. Does it go like that? And then this buckles to the other side. Okay. Yeah, so this is my first bag from Celine. When these bags first came out, I lusted after them and I couldn't believe how expensive they were. I think at the time they might have been like $1,200. I was still in my Kate Spade era. Actually, probably Kate Spade factory era at that time. Okay. Oh, and the little loop is stamped with Celine. I want to show you all the details. I'm like not familiar with this bag. I bought it a little sight unseen. I ordered it straight after the runway came out. So I'm like, we're not friends yet. I don't know her. I don't really know, you know, how it all works. I don't know how this is supposed to go. It's supposed to, well, I did the other one the other way. Maybe. You know, like how do these little hooks go? How does the strap go? That's a long strap, even for crossbody. Okay, let me put it on the shortest one. I guess I put it quite long. Oh my gosh. But anyway, this is a really great, I feel like, work bag, travel bag. It is a lot lighter actually than my Birkin 35 and maybe bigger. I guess I should do a comparison video. But I want to wait until I know her better. Yeah, this feels like more of the, like this is like airport emergencies only. But I think for the most part, it's by handheld or crook of the arm. Fits good on the crook of the arm. And anyway, this is her. The leather is super soft. So let's go through the details. It is rolled handles, feet on the bottom with little stickers that I need to take off. Little tiny Celine Paris on the bottom. The signature smile. Gorge, gorge, gorge. This flap over the top. The seams here underneath, they're like, they lift. So it's like, and under here, it's raw suede. And then inside, it is also raw suede. And there is, oh, okay, hold on. I need to understand this smile pocket better because when I stuck my hand in, it felt quite small, but this is the size of the smile pocket. I don't know if you can see that actually. Can you see that? It looks so dark in the viewfinder. But the size of the smile pocket is actually like, yeah, it's like a lipstick case size. It felt small from the inside, but I guess it goes wider than the smile. This leather is so soft. She's going everywhere. You know what it feels like? It feels like a leather jacket. Ugh. And then there's a zip pouch at the back with the little card inside. So this is the medium smiling new, made in Italy. Okay, so it's lambskin, which is why it's so soft, lined with calfskin. So that's the information there. But just gorgeous, gorgeous. And the seams in here, it's actually really well made. I mean, I don't know why I'd be surprised. You see how it's like, kind of like on the inside, the seams are covered in, I think, more lambskin piping. See, my question is, do you push these out? Do you let her hang out loose like that? Or are these supposed to stay tucked? Do you tuck the tail or do you let the tail fly free? I don't know. We're not yet, like I said, we're not yet familiar with each other. We're not yet on the level, but there she is. Little cutie girl. I kind of feel like, let's flop her little ears down, no? It's just so cute. I think it's a really great work bag. I think it's a good, for me, substitute for when I don't feel like taking out the Birkin 35. It is a lot lighter than the Birkin, I will say, but I think it's about the same size. I will do a future comparison video between the two, but she is just stunning, 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 stunning. There's a little piece of dust. So yeah, I totally broke the law, but who cares? Cause she's like, hello. Oh my gosh, so soft. And I opted for black. It came in 2 colors. Well, there's 2 sizes, the large and the medium. This is the medium, which I'm glad I got this size. And then the medium came in 2 colors, brown and black. And the brown was really, really pretty. But since I already have the Birkin in gold, I thought black would be a good substitute. So yeah, that's my new bag. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below if you would like a comparison between this bag and the Birkin 35. And otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.